Welcome to Caching Waves. This is your Elliott Wave update for Bitcoin. It's been pretty silent all weekend. If you watch my last video, we were waiting for a micro C wave down before this B wave to the upside. Like so, looking for 3 waves up to the upside before continuation to the downside in our Y wave as an ABC. We get a 3, 3, 5. As of right now, since the high, we have a WX potentially in and making a flat for our Y wave. There is one alternative just to keep in mind. That is this what I have labeled as an A wave can also be a expanded flat as an A, B, and we make 5 up from here. So just something to keep in mind just in case this scenario happens. In which case we'd still expect further downside. We just get an expanded flat as our connecting wave. So we'll go down to the micro real quick. I'm not trading this one myself. I'm just keeping it to track the rest of the market because obviously if Bitcoin collapses, it's going to make everything else bleed. But as of right now, you can see this was just terrible to try and track all weekend. You can see how B waves can just get bigger and bigger and bigger and drag on. So as of right now, looks like we have 3 or 5 here. It's really hard to tell on the micro. This looks like an A. We have a flat A, B, C or WXY, and looks like we're making 3 waves down here between the 618 and the 1-to-1 extension of this first A wave for our B and our C, in which case we're looking for 5 waves up for our C wave in the B. I would like this to at least come to 42,561, just so we have the option for this to be a 335. If we don't reach that level and we just basically double top, we'd expect 3 waves to the downside rather than 5. So it's just not a good enough risk reward in my point of view to trade this. First target is 41,425 for a pivot to the upside. Second target is the 1-to-1 at 41,146, and that's between the 50 and the 618. But if I decide to trade this, I'd have to put the stop at the low, and again, we can just double top here. So not really interested in trading this at the moment. The only thing available for there is like scalps down at the 1 minute. But I'm not going to get into doing that for the purposes of this channel. Basically looking for this wave to complete to the downside, pivot back up for our C, in which case we'll look for a short. If you want to check out my other videos, I've entered a couple trade setups, one on Matic, one on Avalanche as well. I believe. I'll have to double check those. What am I in? Let me check that right now. I'm in AVAX, ICP, and Matic currently. And all those setups are on my channel. And they are all for me in my buy areas. So hoping to get this quick move and a quick recovery to the upside, which should take everything with it. All right, guys, that's it for Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want updates for everything, and I'll catch you on the next one.